This is me, slightly scared of a steep ladder. This is me screaming cause I'm freezing my balls off. And this is just one of many exotic animals that I encountered while hiking through the jungle of Vietnam. But first, the intro. That's right, today I take you on a little jungle hike. We are on a bus that drives us up into the mountains, about an hour's drive from the city of Hue to the point where we start our hike. Right in the beginning we passed an old supply tunnel from the war.
So US Army, they spreading everywhere. They coming everywhere to stop Vietnamese Army coming down from the north. Yeah, Viet Cong. Yeah. So this one is a small one only. They're like 140 meters only. Yeah, it's getting.
The guide told us that it would be okay to climb inside. He didn't mention that we would need a flashlight.
Hang on a sec.
I used my phone. It was pretty narrow in there. Not a very cozy place. In here I had two interesting encounters. One with a bat. The other one with a school class that came into the tunnel with a blaring boombox. Kids these days. Not long after the cave, we arrived at the summit, which used to be a helicopter base of the US Army. The view from up there was stunning. Right, time for a cloudy time-lapse. Then we went deep into the jungle to see the so-called 7 lakes, a row of small pools. The water you see here eventually ends up in one impressive waterfall. From here on the hike became a bit harder than expected, so I might have forgotten to film a lake or two. Most of the time there were ropes, so it was sort of safe. In any event, the water was spectacularly clear. Did I mention that there were ladders? Well, there were ladders too. Also sort of safe. Moving on, always following the water. We took a lunch break at one of the pools. Remember the sign? Well, how many times do you get the chance to take a dip in a mountain spring pool in Vietnam? However, it turns out that mountain springs are very, very cold. Please pardon my high-pitched screaming. It's really cold. Yeah, I'm not doing that. More walking after the break, always following the water. From here on it was less climbing, which made things easier. And we encountered some interesting animals. And then, the stream that we've been following all day long turned into a 300-meter high waterfall. Alright, and this is where I leave you now. My trip is ending soon. I'm off to Bangkok again and then back to Stockholm. So make sure to like and subscribe to not miss out on the rest of the journey. See ya.